Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to start with your IELTS speaking test. May I know your name, please?
It's Adeen Asad.
All right, Adeen Asad, let's start. Do you work or study?
Apparently, I am a student.
Okay, so what do you do in your free time?
Well, I hardly get free time nowadays as I have to study a lot being a student. But every once in a while, if I get an hour or two, I read books as I really love to read.
Okay, do you prefer to have free time in the morning or in the evening?
Well, I prefer it in the evening because the
All right, no problem. So do you prefer morning time or evening time?
Well, I prefer evening time because at that time I really want to get fresh to remove all the tiredness of the day. So I like to be having free time in the evening.
Okay, how do you relax yourself during your free time?
Well, I relax myself by reading books or perhaps watching a new episode of my favorite season or maybe even watching a thriller.
Okay, do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with your friends or family?
Nowadays, mostly I prefer it alone because all the exhaustion of the day really makes me tired and my mood off. So I try my best to stay away from people.
Do you like to spend your free time doing something or sitting idle?
I like my free time to be useful because other than that, I'm always occupied with something that is a need. But for my free time, I prefer things that are good for my mind, that cleanse my thoughts.
All right, what do you usually do on the weekends?
I sometimes go out with my family on Sundays, but on Saturdays, I'm mostly home, so I prefer to read books or maybe even watch movies.
All right, one last question. Do you think you will have more free time in the future?
I don't think so because as I grow up, as I spend more time being a student, I am just going to reach another part of being a student. So I don't think so.
All right, thank you so much, Adeen Asad. I'll give
Yeah.
you $1 for making this video.
I
Thanks a
prefer
lot.
dirhams.
I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Thank you so much. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.